This project is located on a plot in the semi-rural outskirts of Buenos Aires, an area transitioning from farmland to permanent housing after the construction of the Western Highway. A young couple, with a loan from the Procrear government program, commissioned a flexible and affordable house under ADSQM, adaptable to their changing needs over time. Security and privacy were key due to the isolated location, influencing the design. The house is a single elongated volume. Made from exposed reinforced concrete and brick. The front facade is closed for privacy, while the rear integrates with the outdoors through large openings. A metal curtain can be rolled down for extra security. Inside, the space is divided by the central bathroom and kitchen, creating an intimate area, 2 bedrooms or a bedroom and workspace, and a social area that extends outside. Future plans allow for the addition of a bedroom or patio. The structure uses a reinforced concrete slab with inverted beams, and construction materials are kept simple, with exposed concrete, brick walls, and smooth cement floors. Openings are made of anodized aluminum, and the house features underfloor heating.